Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification button so that you're always notified anytime I upload a new video. And today I'll be showing you how I installed this knotless box braids on this gorgeous model. If you're interested in seeing this video, please keep watching. Okay, so to begin, I would just take a section of hair, apply some gel, and section it off into 3 sections and begin a regular plait like you will any other plait. And then after I've done that for a couple of times, I will start to feed the hair, the canonical hair or the expressions from underneath, not from the top. And I'm going to do this about 3 or 4 times on this strand of hair until I've reached the desired texture or thickness of the braid that I'm looking for. This goes without saying that you can definitely increase the thickness or the texture of your braid as you would like it. I was going for a more hairy and a more flowy look for this model. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'll show you again in another slide. I'm also going to be leaving a list of all the products that I'll be using in this video in the description box below, so please check it out. So here again, I'm applying some gel to the roots and the tip of her hair. This is just to catch all those stray hairs and also to make the hair blend nicely with the canonical hair. I'll go ahead and section that portion into 3 and begin to plait the hair like normal. After about 2 or 3 times, I'll start to feed the hair from underneath. Again, I'm going to repeat this about 3 to 4 times until I've reached the desired texture or thickness of hair that I'm looking for, and I'll continue to braid the hair towards the end. Well, I'm going to leave the tip and I'll show you what I'll do with it towards the end of the video. I don't know if that makes sense, but that is just basically what I'm going to be doing throughout this entire hair until I'm done braiding the hair. So there we have it. The braid is complete and I can move it freely and easily without hurting her. I mean, this braid is so light, she can even flip it herself. It is that light, guys. Okay, so for the tip of the hair, I'm just going to take some palm rods and I'm going to wind the hair around the palm rod like so. And I'm going to repeat this process until I have done the entire head. So when I'm done with that, I'm just going to dip the ends of the hair and try to get as much of the hair as I can into the hot water without burning her head, and I'm going to catch the drippings in a towel and squeeze out the excess hot water. After I'm done unraveling the palm rods, I'm going to go in with my mousse, my Tressume Mousse, and I'm going to apply that generously to her hair from her roots to a tip. And this is just to catch those stray hairs and allow them blend properly with her braid. So I'm just going to go in with my argan oil and I'm going to apply that to her roots and give her a light massage, because this is a protective style and you want to keep your hair moisturized, especially at the roots. Then I'm going to trim off the ends of the braids. I'm not going to cut the curls off, but I'm just going to trim off the strays and give the hair a more tapered look. I'm going to pack up the hair into a bun and lay some baby hairs. You can virtually style this hair any way you please, just like any regular braid, and it keeps very nicely. And there you have it, guys. Knotless box braids, done easily, very light, very flowy, and it is guaranteed you can flip your hair and style it as soon as it is done. It is that simple. So if you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye, guys.